to go to work to Human Resources to sign some papers. And I'm leaving in like less than 20 minutes. I have enough time to watch this video. And I'm starting to rethink my decision. Oh well, it's all good. I saw this guy's apology to Leafy, which I don't know if it was satire. Satire can mean anything nowadays, apparently. But it made me laugh. I thought it was entertaining. Billy the Fridge. I subscribe to him. And a lot of the times people don't realize, but Leafy's actually doing a channel a favor by giving them attention like this. People don't realize that sometimes. Here we go.
Fucking nuts, man. Oh.
Some guys scares you.
Yo, Billy. Listen, man.
Is he really the Pokemon kid's
The
dad?
entire thing is just satire, bro. Oh, shit.
Toxic bitch. And
But what up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the goddamn internet. And considering the current situation that I'm in, quite possibly one of the last videos that could ever go up on this entire YouTube channel. Yep, that's right, guys. I'm talking about the end of the empire itself. And of course, I'm assuming a lot of you guys just heard that and are thinking to yourself, why, Leafy? Why would this be the end of all Leafy videos, huh, Leafy? Why? And to answer that question, it's pretty simple, because today I might fucking die. Look, guys, I don't want to spend too much time on this, because I actually have to leave in 30 minutes to actually meet this dude. But just really quick, guys, just in case you have no idea who the fuck Billy the Refrigerator, aka the guy I'm going to be meeting today is, well, allow me to quickly explain. Music, please. Well, it all begins about 2 months ago when a YouTuber by the name of Billy the Refrigerator ended up making a diss track about me and a few other YouTubers. Again, this is around 2 months ago. After he ended up dropping his diss track, I ended up making a video about his diss track, to which he responded saying that he's actually currently in the same city where I live, aka Seattle, and that overall he was hunting me down as we speak, and that he was planning on eating me like a fucking piece of ham.
I know this is all jokes, but this is literally like the last video Leafy uploaded in like a day and a half. He uploads like twice a day sometimes.
Long story short, after a few more back and forths, we just finally decided to just meet up and just
the title is
see what
Pokemon
happens.
Go Kiss Fathers in my
what's
house.
the worst that can happen?
This is the last video he uploaded.
Leftovers in a fucking refrigerator. Regardless, though, with that all being said, I'm gonna go put on some fucking underwear, grab my backpack, grab my camera, grab my pipe bomb, and go out and finally meet the man, the myth, the legend,
my shit.
Billy the motherfucking Refrigerator. Wish me luck, guys. Hopefully I don't get fucking molested.
You're an adult, Leafy. You're an adult.
Alright, guys. So, I got the camera working. And we're gonna see if everything ends up
I'll
working
inform all the
out.
12-year-olds who watch Leafy, who shouldn't watch Leafy, but who watch Leafy anyway, whether or not this is satire or real. So far, this looks pretty satire.
It might be a little bit shaky. I'm new as fuck to this camera shit. But yeah, let's go meet Billy for the first time. Hopefully
you shouldn't be watching me either.
I don't fucking know. End up dying or some shit. Yeah, I don't even know. This is where he told me to meet.
Oh, great acting
just said,
talent,
come to the place where they toss fish in that ass, and this is literally the place where they toss fish in the ass.
That was actually not bad for a comedy sketch.
I don't even fucking know. What the fuck? I'm not in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna get Oh shit, what the fuck? Did you guys hear that? What the fuck?
here, fishy, fishy.
What the fuck is going on? It's coming from over here. What the fuck? Did you guys hear that? I swear to God. I heard a fucking leaf here. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, guys, I don't even know anymore. I mean, Billy literally hit me up on Twitter saying, come to the Pike Market, we'll meet up. Let's put around, you know.
Leafy was like, I see that the sketch calls for this to be in the middle of nowhere, but could we do this like in a public park with, you know, surrounded by buildings?
I'm just fucking done. Like,
Fridge
dude,
was like, okay,
this
sure.
fucking real life shit just sucks dick, dude. I want to go back home, I'm gonna be going home. I'm done. Oh shit, what the fuck is going on?
It's a decent camera, Leafy. Why are you fucking it up
I
with
go to the pipe
like
markets, I'm
lines?
hearing shouting, maybe I'm
The
going
After
fucking
Effects.
insane.
You bought a
Maybe
nice
I'm just,
camera.
completely lost it.
And you're
I mean, I
using
have no
editing
fucking
software
idea. Maybe the memes finally
to
got
make
to
it
me.
look like
the
something out of
literary
Blair
memes and the
Witch.
fucking $20. I think it all got to me.
Sorry to interrupt you. I'm sure you're funnier than me.
Yeah, I think it all got to me. I'm fucking nuts. I'm just hearing shit. I kept hearing in that ass, but I guess I'm fucking nuts. Whatever. Fucking nuts, man. Oh.
Guys, it's scares here.
Yo, Billy.
Hey guys, it's Scares here.
Listen, man, listen.
Oh my god, that meme will never get old. Oh shit, I used that word correctly.
And
Meme.
Ashley, you know, stay down, buddy. Stay down.
Billy, we're cool, right? I mean, the whole thing is.
Do you want to be cool?
Oh, I don't want to
Do
be
you
cool.
want to be buddies?
Yeah, I want to be buddies.
You want to be friends?
Yeah, 100%, man.
You know,
I mean, the whole thing is just satire, man. It's like jokes all the time, no chin, you have two chins. Yeah, it's all satire, man. It's all
that's
satire.
the funny thing, right? This is the
I mean, I'm only 12 years old, man. I'm only 12 years old.
I don't
Fuck.
care how old you are, right? I can do satire. I can be a fun guy. I can be a funny guy. Let's meet, man. You know, you put a food in my stomach. Maybe I'll chill out for a second.
Fuck is going on?
This is really good here.
Hey, Billy, I don't want anything about my fucking ass, buddy.
Nobody does. Nobody does. That's the whole point.
Yeah, I'm definitely down to get some food, though.
Okay.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, let's have a go at being buddies. We can be pals. We can be friends. You want to be friends?
Listen. I just want to bury the beat. I want to bury the hatchet. I
They're
want
pretty
to
good for YouTube actors.
I already
Their
got
mistake
enough
was
enemies on YouTube.
making it all improv. They're not very good
Billy the Fridge has
improvers,
not killed
but
me yet.
I doubt.
Yeah.
You know what? If it made it scripted, I'm sure it would be shitty.
What's your name?
Mr. Kelvin?
Yeah.
You ever heard of YouTube?
YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. You a fan of YouTube?
I heard, but you like comedy?
Do you like memes?
I like comedy.
No, that's young too.
Yeah, you don't like memes, fair enough. You don't like the scarce meme? You know, hey, what's up, guys? It's scarce. No, fair enough.
You know Killer
I
Keemstar?
used it right.
You know Daniel Keemstar, the Drumler Show?
Yeah, I think I saw
You know Drumler?
I think, you know.
Trump or Hillary? You're a Democrat? Hardcore Hillary?
You know, she's not my favorite, but you know, I don't have a choice.
You don't think Trump will make America great again? You don't think so?
Come on,
He's not white.
What do you think of Donald Trump?
Actually, I don't know that he's not white.
Wow.
This collab is confusing.
There's like one or two that I actually like.
It's good, but I mean,
Like Fousey too?
Fousey?
Yeah, I used to, but I was interested.
You're a big fan of Fousey
Leafy's out of his element.
Marry, fuck, kill.
I love that you're trying new stuff.
Fousey 2, PewDiePie.
Because I am digging this. It's different. It's just different.
PewDiePie is, yeah, I'm not gay, but it's I'd rather go with PewDiePie than fucking BoosieTube or fucking
Well, if you
Keemstar.
marry PewDiePie, you get half the subs, right?
No, but yeah, believe it or not, I'm actually not emo.
Oh, shit. You know what? Let me show you something. Bro, selfie time. Let's do this. There's a lot
What's
of really
happening?
good here. All right, say cheese. Bitch, please. This is not the Leafy Show. You thought it was that easy? This is Billy the Fridge. Every day, 5 million subscribers. They're mine now. Everything you got is mine now. Man, I got myself a nice new camera. This shit's tight. Get the fuck up. We're going to some fucking dope. Hey guys, welcome back. We got a brand new episode. It's Leafy, and well, as you can tell, put on a little bit of weight, but went from no
That
chin
was
to
good.
3 chins. Come deal with it. Big thing today. Big news. We got drama for your mama. Son of a...
Ho-Ho from the Pokemon series. You see this Pokemon right here? It is a legendary Pokemon, and you will receive it if you leave a like on this video.
Drawing.
This is not a fucking scam. Do not test me. This is real. No, but all jokes aside, though, guys, thank you so much for all the support recently. It really means a lot to me. I hope you guys are having a fucking amazing day today. And if you can't tell from my voice, I'm getting sick literally as we speak, so I'm gonna go get some sleep.
You never see a commentator do
and yeah, guys,
a live action collab, so it's like he's actually doing new shit. He's actually trying stuff. He's growing. Good for you, Leafy. I have to catch the bus in like 5 minutes. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, you're giving shout-outs to the fridge, now you're giving shout-outs to North Korea. But no, I'm sure that's another comment. That's another one of your shit, isn't it? What was that? Oh, man, that was good. The fridge, I think, is funnier than Leafy. More talented. I think it's good that he, James Cameron once said that I'm only smart enough to surround myself with people smarter than me. By people? Fuck. God damn, I gotta go to work. Leafy's cool. Don't get me wrong. I gotta go to work. I'll be fine. It's just a meeting. No. What is it? What am I doing? I'll figure it out.